Hi everyone. Today I have come with two good news for you. One of it is that we are going to be starting our USMLE live classes online so that all of you can sit in the comfort of your home and have a look at, take the training from the best faculties that are available in India today, and you can study for your USMLE steps, without having to travel to the classes. So because of a lot of requests from many students that wanting to do the USMLE live, DAMS has now come up with this initiative. And the second initiative being, most students wanted a quick course or a crash course so that they could complete quick reading of all the topics, again sitting at home and not having to go anywhere, especially those who are exam going and wanting to give their exams shortly. So first classes that we are starting, we have it should be available by 10th of June. All the almost all the major subjects that are required we are going to be having, and about 100 odd questions per subject will be discussed by the expert faculty. These are integrated questions, not the questions that are single liners or something. These are integrated questions where most of the questions would be a mixture of a couple of subjects, 2 or 3 subjects, and these are the kind of questions that are asked in USMLE. And many students who haven't really, they know the theory part but they don't know how to integrate, they will find it really useful. So this is a great tool as a revision also for students who are about to give their exam in maybe the next few weeks or maybe a month or so. Those who are closer to the exam and have completed one reading of subjects, including those students who have attended our classes, it would be a very useful tool for students who are closer to the exam to be able to have. These are recorded lectures, these are not live lectures, these are recorded lectures, so you can do it at your pace. For those who do it really quickly, can actually finish it off very quickly. For those who want to take their time, they can continue doing it at a smaller pace or a lower pace. So basically this is the topic that the subject that will be discussed will be in an integrated manner. These are all high yield topics, and like I mentioned, 10th June it will be available on your eMedicos app. So just go log in, just get into eMedicos app, log in, and then look for under USMLE classes, look for the T&D lectures, and this will be available from the 10th of June. Okay. The second thing that I would like to tell you is that we are having the live courses, the live, this for people who are right from second year onwards, want to start and give the exam in their third year. We are starting live courses online, which is again will be available for the USMLE people who are studying for USMLE exams, step 1. It will be available 3 days a week between 6 and 10 p.m. Okay, so it's a very convenient timing. Most of you would have completed your internship or jobs, or are ready to take those classes between 6 and 10 p.m. 3 days of the week. This will be available, and just in case you miss your classes, or in case you feel that you have not attended, you want to repeat something, or you have not paid attention during the class, then there will be a recorded part available as soon as the class is done. So you can also go back and see the recorded part in case you have missed the classes. So it is a very convenient at your doorstep discussion with expert faculty, which is live, so you can actually chat with the faculty. We also have a Facebook page which is only for exclusively DAMS USMLE students, so you can be a part of that page and you can put in your anything that you want to discuss with the faculty. Over this, we will be giving you the classes, we'll be giving you a question bank also with this, and my counseling and guidance will also be included in the live classes. So in case you need to know anything about your exam applications, electives, observerships, externships, even the residency applications, I will be here to guide you. Also preparation for exam, your preparedness for the exam, everything will be helped. We will help you with the entire process. So I think these are two really good facilities that DAMS is offering you, and I would really, you should go online and you can have a look at if you have any doubts or you need to know more about these courses, then please call us. The number is given, is 40094009. You can call here and you can ask someone. One of our counselors will guide you through the entire both the courses. Other than that, if you still need to speak with me personally, you can send me an email on usmle@damsdelhi.com. usmle@damsdelhi.com is my email ID, and I will personally answer all your questions, and if required we can also have a chat. So this today I have come with these two very important news for both the courses that we are launching. One is on the 10th of June, we will be having test and discussion available for USMLE Step 1, which is a rapid revision course for students who are closer to the exam, and it is a pre-recorded lecture course. And starting 15th of June, we will be having live classes, and we would be trying to give you like the entire schedule classes up front, so that you know exactly what classes are coming up. Hopefully we will give the schedule at least a month in advance for you, so that you can prepare accordingly. So we're looking forward to a lot of support, as you have always been very happy with all the courses that DAMS has created for you. I'm sure that you will be very excited once this course is launched, and we're looking for maximum support. All the very best to you, and please connect with us in case you have any more questions. Thank you.